days or more, I'm usually ready to go home.
I mean, yeah, I'm kind of like burnt out. I really like to get in my own bed. Good morning, viewers, by the way. We're just talking about how long this trip has been. And I miss the kitty cats. We're having breakfast outside in this beautiful little courtyard this morning. Austin's off to get some seconds. It's so nice out today. I'm sad we have to leave. It was just a little blip on the radar being down here on the coast, but Rome awaits us. We have 2 tours tomorrow and another fancy dinner. I don't know if I mentioned, I did not realize that the restaurant we booked was a Michelin restaurant last night, but it was amazing. I'm gonna be thinking about that food for a long time. So good. Once I have like time to fully like soak in everything we've done, I'll have to give more detail on everything because I feel like I'm just sort of living by the seat of my pants right now. But it's been so much fun. I did have a little mentee bee yesterday because I'm sort of a perfectionist and I'm like, everything has to be perfect, whoa. But I think I just needed like a cathartic cry release. But we're having a good time. Let's talk empties. Only 2 things I finished here in Sorrento. First, some eye patches. I had a mentee bee and cried and needed these. So used those. Those I love. I will continue to use those. And then I also finished a timeless packet of the vitamin C. Doing a little shopping. We're looking for souvenirs to bring back for people. Trying to find the right thing, you know? Yeah, those are the things they have all over Vegas. And those bears.
That was a Kit Kat.
A Kit Kat? Oh my god, it is a Kit Kat.
This must be a store that just specializes in ceramics.
Yeah. It's all really cute though. Our gift shopping is going well. I think we might, we should go in here. They've got a lot of candy options. I think we're gonna get some sugar-free candy for Austin's dad. We're just wandering around, found these big stone walls. So I've given up my fight against the wind. My hair's just going to look like this. It is what it is. That little windy street brought us down to the waterfront, which is really cool. We're on the water. It's beautiful colored buildings.
She should come married here.
There's gonna be a wedding. Look how pretty. Those florals are beautiful. This view is amazing. We are at Frankie's Pizza Bar for lunch, but are very openly advertising their vegan items. It was very well labeled menu. Austin ordered the vegan lasagna. I ordered a pizza. And I'm having my limoncello spritz right now. We've made it to our place in Rome. This is the least fancy of all the places, but to be in a specific part of the city and not spend like $1,000 a night, you get what you get. The ceilings are nice and high though, and it's a very cute building. So it was technically a 3 individual, but you can have them put it together for a double. Got a little desk. No, definitely not. What are we facing?
Whatever that thing is. That
little street.
That big thing right there is where like the, whatever it's called is.
Yeah. See, we're real close to stuff.
Piazza Venezia.
Piazza Venezia. We're real close to that. And then we've got another little desk, little nightstand, basic bathroom. Can't be mad at it. Oh, they did give us slippers though. I've been wanting slippers everywhere we went, so that's cool. And then, shit, that was loud. A closet, a safe, the huge little fridge.
You can like crack it like this way.
Oh.
That's why we couldn't get the other one to work. You gotta like leave it at a different angle for it to do different things.
Oh, interesting. So, this is our room. Nothing fancy, but I mean, we're not even gonna be here at all tomorrow. We're gonna be doing tours and
the last 2 days.
all kinds of stuff. But now I need to rest because I am exhausted. And I need to lay down. I'm so tired from traveling all day. Okay, I've got all of my outfits for the rest of our trip already pulled out. Everything shoved into one bag, another bag open for the rest of this crap. All the toiletries and things I'll need are already pulled out. I am organized. I'm getting my life together. What's so blurry? I'm getting a pimple. I just freaking love that. But we're gonna head out to dinner. Maybe stop somewhere and buy some water to keep in the room. I think we're both like pretty terribly dehydrated at this point in the trip. But it's like you don't want to drink too much because you never know when you're gonna find a bathroom, and they're always like, they always cost money, which is annoying. Yeah, I'm very tired. I'm losing my mind a little. I really hope I can get some sleep tonight. I go sleep. I get some good sleep, but then I'm up really early for no reason. My body just wakes up, so I'm like, oh, I really would like to sleep. This little piece of hair is getting on my fucking nerves. We're at the restaurant now. It's very cute. It's literally like a 2-minute walk from our hotel. It's very convenient. That is annoying me. I'm getting soup. I'm just so tired. I feel like every time I've been exhausted, I got soup. It works. It's my comfort food. This place is really cute.
I need to make sure I don't forget my jacket. Probably didn't really need it, but I was worried it'd be chilly.
No, it's very mild here. It's called Buddy. It's totally vegan restaurant, which I love.
They must use Happy Cow here because they have a Happy. That's the first time I've seen a Happy Cow sticker.
I think I saw a Happy Cow sticker somewhere else, but I don't remember what it was. I know it wasn't a fully vegan place, but I can't remember where. Any thoughts on our long day of traveling?
Too long.
Yeah.
Trains are too crowded.
I don't know, our second train wasn't.
Oh yeah.
Our train to Rome was not that crowded. I fell asleep for a little bit on that train, but I wish I could have slept even longer. Austin tried to get us some World Cup tickets. His lottery time came up, but he logged in and there was nothing left. It was literally sold out. I keep trying to convince him we should do one of the big baller packages where they get you tickets to every game at a specific stadium, and there's like a hospitality package and like souvenirs, photo ops, food, drinks, stuff like that. But he keeps telling me no. Thank you. Thank you. And he keeps telling me no for good reason, because the lowest level of that package is $8,600, which is a little ridiculous. Each.
That's $16,000 for not spending that much money for the World Cup.
Yeah. Believe it or not, the $12,000 per person package is almost sold out. It said there was only 6 slots left for the Philly Stadium, which is kind of blowing my mind. I said the Philly Stadium. It's in Philadelphia. I am saying the stadium in Philadelphia. I don't care what it's called or what team it's for. They're playing the World Cup in one stadium in Philadelphia, whatever. But I'm like, I don't know. We could potentially be balling out. Why not? Why not? We decided to come to one of the squares after dinner because it's around the corner. What is this one? Piazza or something. It's got this really cool fountain. It's a little bit homoerotic.
Piazza Navona.
Piazza Navona. To be honest, I find all of the statues a bit homoerotic.
That is the Fontana del Moro.
Ah. Okay.
Fountain in the middle is called Fontana di Quattro Fiumi. The fountain on the other end is Fountain del... Alright, it's hard to read. Well, Tuna.
Well, that's cool. Yeah, that's a good look.
I heard they've been doing a lot of upkeep the last couple of years here. Like at some point, like a whole year, the Trevi Fountain's closed.
Well, you know, these things are old. They do need upkeep. I don't know. The square is adorable. Did we just eat? Yes. Do I still think this restaurant is cute? Hell yeah. Look, they brought their tripod. They know what's up.
Looks almost exactly like this.
Well, I think Amazon sold them in a lot of colors.
Is that where you have that from?
Yeah. I just wanted the pink one. Look, there's palm trees in this. The palm trees must be, or they've been around for a long time. Maybe wherever they're native, they were gifted as a gift from
I like how it says
other people to the king or whatever.
It's open 24 hours. Like, how would it not be?
It's outside, yeah.
16.3 meters.
That's tall. He's got it on. 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 I'm kind of obsessed with this big dumb fish. He's just so ugly. I love him. Doing my nighttime skincare. I wanted to chat because it just hit me like how revolutionary for me it is that I've had an entire vacation where I have not sweat through every item of clothing I have. Like no pit stains at all in anything. It's been amazing. If you are someone who like also has pit stains that like go down to your waist and it'd be so bad, I highly recommend seeing if you can get your insurance to cover the hyperhidrosis Botox, because it's really changed my life. It was something I was so conscious of and so embarrassed by, and it's just like my life is changed. Literally, it is that dramatic. It is that serious. My life is changed. It's just kind of wild. I normally use this in my morning skincare, but I haven't always been washing my face in the morning, so I'm mixing it up. Also, because I've got this pimple coming in, which is just cute, just freaking cute. So, doing this. And like, the rest of my sweat is still noticeable. Like, I was sitting on the train from Sorrento to Naples and I got up and I could tell, like, I had a ton of butt sweat. Well, it's really not butt sweat, it's more like my thighs touching and creating a lot of sweat because my thighs are super juicy. But I can deal with that. Honestly, on like a super busy print like I was wearing today, you can't even tell. Like, you really can't tell. And I can deal with that. I don't care. The second you stand up, it dries up anyway. It's not usually stinky, at least for me. Pit sweat. The pit sweat has been dramatic. I'm using the vitamin C because I've already opened it because I put some on my chest before I put my pajamas on. You'll see I've got a lot of discoloration around the collar here because the benzoyl peroxide will do that to you. It discolors clothing, so that's why I kind of use it at night exclusively, because I don't really care if my sleep shirts get discolored. But I do care if my regular clothes get discolored. I've ruined a couple t-shirts that way. Just being absent-minded about application. And so I made it a nighttime thing only, but I'm switching up my routine right now because I've always been washing my face in the morning. Been being lazy about it. I'm just slapping on some sunscreen and going. And here's the result of that. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that because it just dawned on me, like, I have not had a self-conscious sweat moment at all, like this whole trip, and that is such a major lifestyle shift. It used to be an everyday thing for me, not even like a vacation thing, like an everyday thing. Yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of my skincare and go to bed.